Welcome to Simple Investing, where we keep your money growing and your brain entertained. Today, I'm about to reveal the under-the-radar ETF that's already up over 50% in 2025, and trust me, it's not your grandma's index fund. See, while most people are busy arguing about AI stealing jobs or whether Bitcoin is going to $1 million, there's a silent war going on. Not just on battlefields, but in the markets. AI, drones, satellites, cyber warfare. Sounds like Call of Duty, Wall Street edition, right? But for investors who know where to look, this isn't just future tech, it's future wealth. Now, back to the good stuff. As of June 6, 2025. S&P 500? Up 2.25%. Nasdaq? Barely 1.29%. Bitcoin's flexing at 12%, gold showing off at 25%. But this ETF sector? Already up over 50%. And the best part? This is just Act 1. This sector is a 10-year play, not some meme stock pump and dump. Why now? Have you seen the headlines this year? Russia-Ukraine, still fighting. Israel-Palestine, escalating. Red Sea shipping, crisis mode. Trade wars, rebooting. Taiwan Strait, tense. India-Pakistan, friction. It's like Netflix is running out of shows, and now global politics is filling the void. Behind all this? Money. And the ones cashing in first are, you guessed it, defense contractors. The amount of capital pouring into defense is what I call nuclear-sized. And when capital moves like that, it's never looking for modest gains. They're after serious returns. So here's the headline: the number one ETF of 2025 is the aerospace and defense sector. I'm calling it now, this is the one to hold for the next decade. Let's break it down. Why defense? Why now? Welcome to New Cold War 2.0. Global military spending hit $2.72 trillion in 2024, biggest jump since the original Cold War. The U.S. defense budget heading toward $890 billion, a historic high. Trump's got a new favorite catchphrase, the one big beautiful bill, which means a cool $150 billion boost to military spending. Europe's following suit. Germany, France, Japan, even Switzerland is eyeing fighter jets now. But here's the kicker, it's not just tanks and missiles anymore. The future battlefield is digital, AI, satellites, drones, cyber weapons. Elon wants to colonize Mars, Silicon Valley wants to militarize it first. Peter Thiel? He's leading a $2.5 billion investment in Anduril, one of the hottest defense tech startups right now. Their latest valuation? $30 billion. Retail investors like us? We don't get invited to those parties. But we can buy ETFs that ride the same wave. Which ETFs are worth buying? Here's the shortlist. 1. Global X Defense Tech ETF, ticker, SHLD, up 56% this year. This is the dark horse of 2025. Why? Because it focuses on future wars, AI warfare, data-driven battles, unmanned systems. Forget tanks, we're talking intelligent drones and war algorithms. Top holdings include Palantir, basically the CIA with a Nasdaq listing. BAE Systems, the UK's arms dealer of choice. Kratos Defense, they make drones that don't just spy, they fight. Quick Flex. Palantir is now a $60 billion beast, turning spy work into profitable AI. Kratos, building autonomous fighter drones with the US Air Force. They call them loyal wingmen, drones that fly alongside pilots, ready to take bullets and dish them out. 2. iShares US Aerospace and Defense ETF, ticker, ITA, up 26% this year. Want stability? This is for you. Full of old-school defense giants, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, Boeing. Boring, but solid. What about the others? ARKX, Cathie Wood's Space ETF. More science fiction than defense. Feels like betting on Mars before we finish fixing Earth. DFEN, 3X Leveraged Defense ETF. Basically, defense stocks with an energy drink. Fun if you like roller coasters. Don't say I didn't warn you. Final thoughts, this isn't about guns and bombs anymore. The real battlefield is code, satellites, drones, and data. SHLD is aiming straight at that future. My call? 2025's dark horse, military tech ETFs. My favorite pick, SHLD. Hold for 10 plus years. Ignore the noise. Let the wars of tomorrow quietly fund your retirement today. Don't sleep on this. Blink, and you'll be waiting another decade. Subscribe for more simple investing ideas. We don't just chase trends, we front-run them. Comment your ETF pick. Let's build wealth, the simple and smart way. See you next video.